Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the Zontes 350X motorcycle. Engine oil and filter change. Do-it-yourself guide with English subtitles. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. I will chat regarding reasons why and the process. So let's dive into this video. Ladies and gentlemen, riders and wrench turners, today we're tackling the most glamorous job in motorcycling, the engine oil and filter change. Yes, it's not as flashy as polishing chrome or bolting on a loud exhaust, but trust me, skip this, and your Zontes 350X will sound less like a purring tiger and more like a blender full of gravel. Refer to your owner's manual for service intervals. Oil is basically your bike's bloodstream. Without fresh oil, your engine parts are grinding together like two teenagers slow dancing at prom. Awkward, squeaky, and guaranteed to end badly. Your Zontes engine gets hotter than a curry house on Friday night. Old oil loses its cooling mojo, and suddenly your pistons are sweating harder than you are in full leathers at a traffic light. Every ride, microscopic nasties build up in the oil. That's why the filter exists, to catch the gunk. But filters clog, and when they do, your bike's basically trying to breathe through a blocked nose. Not pretty. Want your bike to last longer than your neighbor's gym membership? Regular oil changes are the secret. Plus, when you sell it, you can smugly say, "Yes, mate, full service history." Instant credibility. Now, let's roll up those sleeves. Here's the easy, no-nonsense way to do it yourself, because paying a garage for this is like hiring someone to butter your toast. 1. Warm the engine slightly. Not boiling hot, just warm enough to let the oil flow like a good pint being poured. 2. Locate the drain bolt, underneath the engine. Pop a tray under there, unless you fancy redecorating your driveway in Oda 10W40. 3. Unscrew and drain. Crack the bolt, let the old oil gush out. Watch it flow. It's oddly satisfying, like watching your bike detox after a dodgy kebab. 4. Swap the filter. Unscrew the old filter, smear a little fresh oil on the rubber seal of the new one, and screw it in hand tight. No need to Hulk smash it. 5. Replace the drain bolt. Tighten it snug, not gorilla tight. Remember, you're not building a submarine. 6. Pour in fresh oil. Use the recommended grade, pour slowly, and check the dipstick. Too much oil and your bike will cough like it's vaping. 7. Start the engine. Let it idle, check for leaks, then bask in the glory of a job well done. And there you have it. Oil changed, filter swapped, and your Zontes 350X ready to roar smoother than ever. It's quick, it's easy, and it saves you cash. Plus, you get bragging rights. "Yeah, mate, I service my own bike." Just don't forget to recycle the old oil, because nothing ruins street cred faster than being the guy who poured it down the drain. So that's it, a satisfying job well done. That was easy, so why pay a dealer to do the job for you? Until next time, stay safe, ride defensively, and enjoy your freedom. Mad, Mick. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists.